I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found the love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Okay, kuno na ating Angie para katagiti millennial grupo iti for decade Hong Kong chapter. Perfect. I love it.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I hate waiting what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Okay, akas nakita mi ngamin apo kada gitoy online kata they are requesting for this piece. So, good afternoon, Evelyn Morales, Layugan Buguel,
Lovely.
lovely. And Mark Joseph Contawe Sarmiento, ito talagang special request na ata red na red tapay kanong aduwa. Ayan. And Lunta de la Cruz, MC karuba ko, mano dyan na embag nga malang yung amin. Pa-request mo dito Miracle. Kung naman dito eh. Tatay may Miracle iti request na na. And of course, adding Ella Benadero and Angie Ragual is watching at this moment. DJ Apo Hong Kong, di milamuno ayan ng lugar tayo tatatadijay nga agpalpal na ilang tatumingkukod nga road kaadwang kanyada dati meeting dan kasi nga oras may panggap iti Hong Kong chapter 84 dekad duwaw ket perfect for me John Mark ang boses mo from Giselle Sabanal and talaga mo nga kaya kantam and you've just heard ako da kiti agap-apa nga sonata may isang pang kabaruan kan siya mo dati kadaanan nga sonata kasta kami nga duwa isang nauhagan nga 4 decade duwa from dekada 70s up to the present that the kansyon mi nga duwa ngam syempre iti naglatakan mi kadagitay kansyon ti Ilocano di ba?
Yes.
Isong iturturita ti agapa kadaanan versus kabaruan isong nga dahi manan ti may nga sonata nga kadaanan ngam syempre asikan voice ang detoy dahi nga rudan ti sonata nga pagapaan ta. Agur katao mo lyrics na tayo dito awan lyrics na.
Sonata excuse me?
Birok tayo dati lyrics na tayo may owan.
Kasama di kanta nga diyon?
You kuna.
Si chorus na.
At ang lyrics ko dito dati kapag na po ko lyrics ko dito yung nga umot diba? Baka sa number 2.
Kasama di chorus na diyan?
Birukin ta. Wait lang.
Number 2.
Wait lang. Number 2 tayo dyan
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Sandali lang mandong. Dali lang. Baka nandito yun sa number 3. Dito yan na po. Ulitan ta nga ipatugtog.
Afloat in the lost world of dreams, a mystical maker of schemes, emotionally on my dreams. Me, no more than a garden of sand, and lost on the beach of your land, unable to understand. When you're near, reality loses its hold, and loneliness tears in my soul. But what goes on inside your mind? And while I know that fantasy drives us mad, it really can be so bad to let it take me one more time. Love, the chances are so very few. Excuse me for the strange things I do. I'm drowning in oceans of you. So
this one goes out to my sister nga kanayon nga siniling kada kaming Ate Jane. Malikip mo dagito yung sonata idi. Da kayo tinang isuro kanya. Kate Paolo na Excuse Me by Junior. And Junior mo itong tinangata. Ngarod, madyag paabak. Iti kabaruan nga sonata. Kakuna ni John Mark.
Gaan mo lang ata.
Sa bagay, 70s. Nang ni-revive ni Arnel Domingo Daga.
Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now turn night into day. I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So open arms.